In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to get Instagram followers. Whether you're looking to expand your personal brand or enhance your business's online presence, these steps will guide you in leveraging AI technology effectively. Let's dive in. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search bar. This tool, developed by OpenAI, is a state-of-the-art language model that can assist you with a wide range of inquiries, including strategies for gaining more Instagram followers. When the search results populate, look for the official ChatGPT website link and click on it. This will direct you to the platform where you can interact with the AI. Upon entering the site, you'll be greeted with a chat window, which is your gateway to engaging with the chatbot. Let's get the ball rolling by typing a prompt into the chat window. You could input something like, "How can I increase my Instagram followers using AI strategies?" Once you've crafted your query, hit the Submit button. This action will trigger the AI to generate a response for you, offering insights and tips tailored to your request. Within moments, you should see a list of strategies appear on your screen. These may include optimizing your Instagram bio, engaging consistently with your audience, and utilizing hashtags effectively. Each tip is designed to maximize your visibility and appeal on the platform. Next, if you wish to refine your approach or gain additional insights, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you can type another prompt for a deeper dive into Instagram growth strategies. For instance, you might ask for content ideas that could engage your target audience more effectively. Again, click Submit, and you'll receive further advice crafted to boost your follower count. As you experiment with these prompts, consider personalizing the AI suggestions to align with your unique style and brand ethos. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can offer guidance, your creativity and authenticity are irreplaceable in building a genuine connection with your followers. This process is not just about gaining numbers, but also about cultivating a community that resonates with your message. Be patient, test out different strategies, and see what works best for you over time. By following these steps, you're well on your way to harnessing the power of ChatGPT to enhance your Instagram follower count effectively. Don't hesitate to revisit the chatbot for inspiration whenever you're planning your next move. Thanks for sticking with us to the end of this tutorial, and here's to growing your Instagram account successfully with the help of AI.